Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today's video is a very special video because every one of us use Facebook for our day-to-day life. Now we use Facebook like most of the time, but most of us are like very annoyed with Facebook because of the reels and boring stuffs are now in Facebook. So most of us want to delete their account. So it's very easy to delete your account. So today in today's video, I'm going to show how you can delete your Facebook account. So just be with me. First of all, you need to open a browser and log into your Facebook account. So here you can see I have already logged into my Facebook account. Then from the here in the picture that is called account section, click on that. Go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. See here you can see the account center. Okay, here in the account center, go to see more in account center. See here you can see personal details. Okay, click on that. Here you can see that account ownership and control. Here you can see deactivation or deletion. Click on that. Facebook delete account. Click on continue. Here you can like select anything. I am selecting. I have privacy concern. Okay, click on privacy concern and click on continue. So we have to know that after clicking on continue, if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, you can again log into the account within how many days? Let me see. You need to give your password again. Yes. Here you can it is written that you are about to schedule your account for deletion, permanent deletion. Once you have scheduled your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve. So if you change your mind, if you change your mind and you want your account back, you need to like activate or log into your account before 30 days and before clicking on delete account. If you just delete your account, if you just click here, your account will be deleted. So I don't want my account to be deleted, so I am not clicking it. But if you guys just click it here, your account will automatically be deleted. And if you want it back, just logging to your account before 30 days. And if you don't want, just don't log in to your account uh, for like 30 days. Okay, so it's very easy. Through within a simple steps, you can easily like delete your account from Facebook. And if you like more videos about Facebook, just do let us in the comment section, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do let your friends know about this video. Thank you.